If you believe that a father is someone who just provides for the family, pays bills, supplies food, buys good clothes for the children, then you're wrong. Who is a real father? A father is not just someone who's half the child and related by blood. This crown called father is an honor that is awarded to the worthiest one of all. To a person who's a guide showing the path through a tangled maze called life. To a person who's a lighthouse showing the way to the land while lost during a storm in the ocean. To a person who's a teacher, explaining with experiences, teaching us to learn from our mistakes. To a person with strong yet soft hands, holding us through thunderstorms and fireworks in the sky. To a person who's a good ear, listening to everything we've got to say. To a person who's a good eye, watching our every movement silently with care. To a person who's a good voice, celebrating our successes, pushing us through failures. To a person with a huge heart, having faith and belief in their child. A real father is someone who sticks by, even when darkness swirls and solitude feels like a friend. A real father is someone who gives his children his time. A real father is someone who gives his hand when in times of need. A real father is someone who motivates the child's dream. Anyone can become a father in today's times, but to wear the crown called a real father, one needs to be a guide, a teacher, a giant heart, a listening ear, and someone willing to give time to a small soul. To every child's first teacher, first superhero, first role model, the firm shoulders which carry us to see the world, our very dearest Appa, Father, Dad, Papa, Abba, Babu, and every single person who is a father to us, wishing you a very happy Father's Day. Thank you for loving us unconditionally and for being there for us.